Peace, peace, peace. We got stuff to do in the garden. We're gonna set up a new bird house, a bird feeder for all of our bird friends. It's called a Hori Hori. This thing is huge. So we have that. So we have a new bird feeder. Look at this bag of bird food. That bay part. It's huge. I asked him to buy me a small bag. I thought I said small, but I said, can you give me some bird food? And he got this huge bag. So we have our bird food, and we have a new bird feeder from Kingsford. We got a lifetime warranty and some fun facts about Kingsford. Let's set this up and find a place in the garden. I picked out the white color. It's super pretty. Super pretty. So the top will go out here. And then there's a twist. Simple setup. And let's fill it up with some bird feed. I got a mason jar, some gloves, some kindergarten scissors. That's a lot of bird. Funny thing, I told Babe, I said, you bought bird food for the rest of our lives. It's absolutely adorable. So, I think the birds will enjoy it. I'm gonna fill it up because I think it's super pretty, and I would love to just see the bird food through the little windows. It's so cute. I hope you enjoy the bird food. All our birdie friends. I was so excited to have an actual bird feeder in the garden. Because the one I had was a little plastic one. It's so cute, you guys. Look, soil friends. Isn't that adorable? Can y'all see it? That's awesome. Okay, let's find a place where we can put this baby. So I don't really have anywhere for it to hang. Well, let's see, do I? So maybe I can put the bird feeder table. So I don't put it anywhere. At least not right now. I wonder if they'll consider this is where I'm gonna be prepping seeds. I'll bring you on closer here, soil friends, so you can see my station here. So this is where I'll be prepping some seeds. I'm just gonna leave the bird feeder right there. Let's see a better view there. The only thing I'm worried about now that I put it right there is ants. But we'll just see if the birds catch on. If you would like to receive this same feeder, and they have it in different colors, you can receive a 20% discount using my code 357Gardener. I'll leave it in the video description. There will be a link for my store and also a link for this exact feeder for you to purchase and get 20% off using 357Gardener. So soil friends, you need to put this in your garden, baby. It's so beautiful. And don't forget to check out the official YouTube page for Kingshire, which is going to be in the video description below as well. Kingshire_official. Please check them out and give them a follow.